What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with another episode that you guys wanted to see first. It is an unboxing of the brand new MacBook Air that just came out last week. I got my hands on the space gray. Every other unboxing that I've seen on YouTube is mostly of the gold colorway, which you guys know this is available in 3. The space gray, I think, is going to still be the most popular. Let's get into this guy and kind of show you what it's all about. Canadian about. So I have the base model here. This one comes with 8 gigs of RAM, a 256 SSD, of course, 1.6 gigahertz dual core i5, and that will run you $1199. That off to the side, here is the MacBook Air. Let's put that away quickly. We have, of course, designed by Apple in California. Good old tiny charging brick, USB-C cable, Thunderbolt 3. We have 2 of those connectors. Of course, inside, I'm sure we've got the good old Apple stickers. Whoa, we have space gray MacBook Air stickers, and that really threw me off guard. I'm guessing if you grab the gold one, you will get gold stickers, or the silver one, you will get lighter colored stickers. That threw me for a loop. I was not expecting that. Always nice to see Apple throwing curveballs at me. And the initial unboxing of this, that comes off. Turn this guy around, and so let's just quickly set this bad boy up. Anglais, hit me up with that Wi-Fi. Of course, as we are setting this guy up, the first thing that you'll notice is we have a new redesigned keyboard that is using Gen 3 butterfly switches. We of course have the larger Force Touch trackpad. We've got new speakers on the side, and my initial hands-on since launch, that's one of the biggest improvements that I've seen come to the MacBook Air. Touch ID, as this MacBook Air now has the new T2 chip, it should make things more secure, so I will quickly set that guy up. Always nice to quickly unlock, and we'll just wiggle around the finger. And while that finishes off, let's quickly just compare, of course, sizes. I've got my good old 15-inch, I'm getting confused, this way. No, this way, I had it right the first time. 15-inch MacBook Pro. Of course, both of these are in space gray. And of course, it should theoretically match the brand new iPad Pro, which is also, these are 2 different colors here. The space gray on the iPad Pro seems to be slightly darker. I know that Apple really gets their colors confused, even though they say it's space gray. We've got multiple tones. They've done that for the gold also. Just keep that in mind. Do not think that the iPad Pro is the same space gray as the MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. I think dark mode is dope. Setting up your iMac. And obviously the thing that you're gonna see first is the brand new Retina display. This is something that needed to be upgraded. We finally have that over on the new MacBook Air. We have gotten rid of the ugly silver bezels. We now have a resolution of 2560 by 1600, and it just makes it so much better looking in my opinion. And most of you are asking, what is the MacBook Air for? Or who is it kind of suited for? It is honestly perfect for traveling. Once again, if you're a student, if you're just doing basic things like banging out emails, which I think 95% of us do, I'm gonna use this guy as my new work laptop. I'm gonna bring this with me everywhere. It's super light, 2.75 pounds, so no matter what pack you have, you won't feel the fatigue, as it's way lighter and way more manageable than, say, this heavy and hunky MacBook Pro. Compared to, say, the iPad Pro, which is a smaller form factor, I still think having a physical keyboard is so much more productive. No matter how good I get over with my iPad, it's still limited by iOS. I think that just productivity-wise, this guy will beat it 9 times out of 10. Just my initial thoughts. Obviously, the iPad Pro is great for multimedia, very specific use cases with the Apple Pencil, great for graphics use. But yeah, this has been my very first look at the brand new 2018 13-inch MacBook Air. Cannot wait to start using this as my main work laptop, mostly for word processing, some Excel docs, maybe some presentations from time to time. And I think that is still very similar to what a lot of students do that will be eyeing this guy. Anyways, if you want to see a comparison, let me know down below, and let me know what other coverage you want to see around the brand new 2018 MacBook Air. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick unboxing, and I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next episodes or vlogs. Peace.